Good morning.
Hello.
So we've just checked out of our guest house, and then we're just gonna make our way to the subway so that we can go to the bus station.
Yes, although quickly, it's a Bergman.
Hey. Yeah, and then we just need to buy tickets there. We left it quite open because there's loads of buses, so we can just get one that we want to, whether we want to go later or we want to go just as soon as we get there.
Yeah, it's fairly easy.
So yeah. So we're gonna buy some tickets.
The first step. So where we are?
Sokcho. Keep going. Sokcho in the middle. Right, when do we want to go?
So it's 11:31.
So there's one at 11:59, or we've got an hour. They've got some strepsils.
I did, some Korean strepsils, Korean made.
So we need to find our platform, but it's 4 and they look like they're numbered, so shouldn't be too hard.
Great. We got hot, crispy chicken burgers.
Yeah. So we got our tickets, but our bus will leave for like another 4 minutes, so we thought we'd have some lunch now, so it'll be a few hours on the bus.
The chicken burger.
Chicken burger. They had no fries.
Hey. So I put the bags in the bus.
Just waiting at the platform. Says the time, and then like where is it going? So nice and easy. Get it on the bus. Paid it a little bit more again, so nice bus.
Nice bus. Leg room for days.
Yeah. I'll wait for them to close the luggage today. Hi. So we're just on a short toilet rest stop break, so we have a very nice view.
Yeah, that's insane.
Yeah, well, got to get back on the bus because we're not quite sure how long it is, and I don't want it to drive off without us. Yeah. But very easy, lovely journey at the minute, and then we've got another hour and then we've made it to Sokcho.
Yeah, it was really easy.
Yeah, super easy, and now we're just gonna walk the 5-10 minutes to our guest house so we can check in because we've got here at a perfect time.
Yeah.
So we have just checked in to our hotel.
Yeah, hostel, guest house thing.
A nice room. Nice and white and clean. Dave's fighting the urge to sleep.
I know, right? I need coffee.
Let's go find a coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice enough room.
Yeah, nice enough room. In this bathroom we can actually stand up. The other one we couldn't. I don't think we filmed the other one, so you won't see that. But yes, we are in Sokcho. Woo! We're gonna find a coffee, have a chilled afternoon, looking around. Before hopefully a big hike tomorrow. So yeah.
The funny thing is, every time I do stuff like that, I have to then watch myself cringily as I edit it. So, hey future David, how's it going? You're probably in New Zealand right now.
Yeah.
Living out of a van. How is it? Is it yeah, alright, cool. Hi. The slow zoom.
Sokcho.
음료 2잔 나왔습니다.
Oh, it's very windy today. Big waves.
Alex is trying the health gate.
Oh,
That's 23 centimeters.
might get stuck in it.
No, that's 21. Breathe in. But can you get through the 19?
I don't want to get stuck.
You won't.
Oh, I might. Oh, I don't know if I dare. Ugh. Healthy.
Health check.
Hi, good evening.
Hello.
So we are just going to head to the local fish market because there is lots of street food and stuff in there, and apparently there is a really famous Nanseok chicken shop.
I was going to say, you can't get chicken.
Yeah, so we're going to go and try and find some of that before everything shuts, because everything shuts about 7:30, 8, so we don't want to leave it too long and miss dinner again.
No.
So yeah, let's go see what we can find at the market. We got a big box of spicy chicken.
Chicken.
And we found the food street because it took a little while. Everything looked like it was shut. Yeah, if you want to like get anything else to go with it or whatever.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't want to understand things. I'm just going to get some skis.